Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to go live on YouTube using your computer. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus sign with a Create button. Click on it. When you click the Create button, you'll see two options. One says Upload Video, and the other says Go Live. Click on Go Live. The first time you try to go live, YouTube might tell you that you need to verify your account before going live. If you haven't verified your phone number with YouTube yet, they'll ask you to do that now. To verify your phone number, YouTube will show a screen where you need to choose your country and enter your phone number. You can choose to receive a text message or a voice call. After entering your number, click the button to send the verification code. Wait a moment, and you'll receive a 6-digit code on your phone. Enter the code on the screen and submit it. If the code is correct, your phone number will be verified. Now, you need to go back to the Go Live page, so click the Create button again, then select Go Live once more. This time, YouTube will start the process to enable live streaming for your account. But there's one important thing to know. You won't be able to go live immediately. YouTube needs to review your request. This usually takes up to 24 hours. So after you request access, just wait. You'll get a notification from YouTube or an email when your account is ready for live streaming. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.